How to install Linux on your MacBook Pro. First, check your Mac's compatibility, then download a Linux distribution. Go to an official Linux website and then download an ISO file. These are the popular choices. Then prepare a bootable USB drive. Insert a 16GB or larger USB drive and download and install this from this right here. Then open this up and then select your downloaded Linux IOS. Choose a USB and then click flash. Wait until it finishes to create the bootable USB. Then disable secure boot for Intel Macs only. Shut down your Mac, power on, and then hold Command R to enter recovery mode. Go to Utilities, Startup Security Utility, select Secure, boot to No Security, and allow booting from external media. Then boot from USB, insert the bootable Linux USB into your Mac, restart your Mac, and then hold the Option key. Select the EFI boot or USB. Select Enter to start the Linux installer, and then install Linux. Finalize the boot. Once Linux is installed, remove the USB drive, reboot the MacBook Pro, and then Linux should now load as your primary OS. If this helped, subscribe.